Hello people and welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to guide you through the process of using a block explorer. With blockchain technology, everything is written to a public ledger, and through block explorers you can view the information on a blockchain. Before we start, smash the like button and please make sure you've subscribed to the channel. Right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so first of all, you need to know the block explorer for the blockchain you want to explore. Obviously, we're going to explore the XDC blockchain as that's our favorite here at Prime Numbers. So in your address bar, you want to type xdc.blockscan.io. And once the page loads, you'll be presented with this screen. Now here you can see the total supply of XDC, which is 37.7 billion. You can see the circulating supply, which is 13.8 billion. You can see the total amount staked, which is 3.2 billion. And the market cap is currently $764 million. And in the last 24 hours, we've done nearly $10 million in trading volume. So plenty of other stats on here, you know, blocks, block numbers, all that sort of stuff. You've got lots of stats you can look at, but the main thing here is you've got the search bar. So what you need is your wallet address. Now, if you're copying your wallet address from MetaMask, make sure you change the 0x at the start of the wallet address to XDC, because as soon as you paste the wallet address in here, it starts searching, which is a bit annoying. So you need to make sure the address is correct before you paste it in. So you whack your address in, straight away it starts searching, and then it will bring up your wallet. So as you can see here, I've got barely anything in the wallet. I've done 18 transactions. There's a little bit of XDC. And then down here is your tabs. So you've got your transactions tab, which is all your transactions. You've got your internal transactions. So this was for the video that I created the other day about wrapping your XDC. So I wrapped 10 XDC and then I unwrapped it and then I wrapped it again. So they're the internal transactions. And then your XRC721, that's your NFTs. So here you've got your inventory. So I've got one NFT sitting in this wallet. And then here you've got your XRC721 transactions. So this is a month ago when I transferred this NFT to this wallet. So that's what these four tabs are all about. And if you go to, you can go and click on your NFT, and here it'll tell you some more information about the transaction hash, when you moved it or when it was created. And then if you click view NFT, then you get some other information, the contract address, if you ever need to find the contract address for an NFT project. So if we just go back, so here in your main transactions tab, so if you ever get a problem with a transaction where you're not sure if it's gone through successfully, then put your wallet address into the block explorer and you'll be able to come here and have a look. So you've got the transaction hash column, and if you click on the transaction hash, then it's going to take you into that transaction. Now you can see here the status was successful, the block number it is written to, the time and date that it was done, and you know, just lots of other information. And you know, you can see in and out transactions. So this is where I've transferred into the wallet or transferred out of the wallet. Yeah, so that's the XDC Explorer. Obviously Ethereum is Etherscan. So if we go and look on Etherscan, and you can see here the latest transactions. So these are all wallet addresses. So let's just pick a random one, bit of a lottery here, see what happens. You know, this is half an ETH. Let's say he's got 15 Ethereum in his wallet at the moment. He's holding 57 tokens. What's he got? $500 worth of wrapped Bitcoin, some holo, some USDC, and yeah, just loads of RIP Gary. Some random tokens. It's funny looking at this stuff sometimes. And then he's got a couple of NFTs as well. Some Ethereum name service, so some ENS domains. So yeah, you can literally explore people's wallet, explore your own wallet, see what people are holding, see how your transactions have done. So that is how you use a block explorer. So for XDC, you want to use xdc.blockscans.io. Right folks, that wraps up today's video, and you should now have a better idea about how to explore your wallet on the blockchain. This is a good tool to use whenever you have an issue with a transaction, to go and find out the status of the transaction, whether it's been successful or whether it failed. Right, make sure you subscribe for more useful videos about the prime numbers ecosystem and the XDC network. Follow us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next video, folks. Talk to you later.